Hello, good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my fire safety class, basic fire safety class. You know that I am giving this type of continuous education for safety oriented subject. The first 10 videos are given for general safety awareness. Next, I have started this basic fire safety. Here already I have given you 9 video. That is last class I have told you what is a portable type of fire extinguisher. Today what we are going to discuss is how portable type of fire extinguishers are selected for different type of a fire and how it is classification. Already we have discussed this there. So today's our subject is there are several type of different type of portable type of fire extinguishers are available. Portable means the extinguisher is not so heavy we can carry with our own hand, so that from one place to another place. Such type of extinguishers are known as a portable type of fire extinguisher. And also different type of fire extinguishers are available. This also we have discussed on last class. Now today what we are going to discuss means how this portable type of fire extinguishers are selected for different classes, and what is the identification and what is the principle of operating this portable type of fire extinguisher. As all of you know that portable type of fire extinguisher is a pressurized equipment. Any type of a pressurized equipment, it contains both the things. What are the both the things? One is an extinguishing agent is there. Another is an expelling agent is there. Extinguishing agent, maybe powder, maybe water, or maybe foam, like that type of thing. What is an expelling agent? Expelling agent is normally air under pressure. Previously, how we are given this type of extinguisher means some type of a cartridge, air pressure cartridge is available there, and that will be inside the fire extinguisher. So if you want to operate that extinguisher, first what you have to do means this cartridge, air cartridge, you have to break it. So for the top one type of a pin will be there, that you have to press the extinguisher so that gas cartridge will be broken, and that pressure will be coming to the inside there. Because of this pressure, this is an expelling agent. Whatever the contents is there, that will be going outside. But nowadays most of the extinguishers are not like this way. The cylinder itself, the extinguisher cylinder itself, we are having an air pressure. So that air pressure, most of the cylinder, we can see the air pressure, that a small dial will be there, small pressure gauge will be there. So we can check the gauge also. So by seeing this gauge, we can see that whether the fire extinguishers are having sufficient pressure or not. And only except CO2 extinguisher, we do not have any gauge. Why? Because CO2 is a gas. CO2, carbon dioxide gas. But as also you know that any gas we cannot store in the form of a gas. Normally how we are storing the gas, it is liquefying it there. So about 75 to 85% of the cylinder capacity, the liquid gas CO2 is available there. The remaining portion is only in the form of a gas. So that is at the high pressure there. So when you are operating, automatically that liquid will becoming a gas, like our LPG. LPG cylinder, liquid petroleum gas, all of you know that. So when you are releasing, that liquid petroleum is given, when started the burning in the burner, the liquid petroleum is going to make a gas there, and that is burning. Similar way here also the same thing. When you are releasing that liquid carbon dioxide, making a that will be become a gas there. So all other fire extinguishers, like what are the fire extinguishers are available there? Just last class I have discussed you. One is a water. Water is a, how we are identifying, the complete body is in a red color. All the fire extinguishers nowadays, complete body is in a red color only. And then CO2 is also complete body is red color. But the identification is there, one black band is there available there. So black band, you can see here I am just showing a DCP. Here you can see the blue band. Similar type of a band will be available there in the CO2 extinguisher also. Now, then in case of a foam extinguisher, that band color will be in a cream color. In case of DCP, just I have shown you, this will be in a blue color. What I have just also told you, but there is a pressure gauge. You can see that pressure gauge is available here. When it is in a green condition, this indicates that this is having a sufficient pressure. You can operate it. So this is an example. This is a practical example of a fire extinguisher which I have shown you. So by seeing the color code, you can easily identify. So what are the color code? One, when it is a water, it is a red color. When it is CO2, it will be black color band will be there. And in case of DCP, blue color is there. And in case of a cream, in case of foam, that cream color is available there. And yellow color is for the wet chemical. So different type of color band is given for the identification. So by seeing the color code, you can easily take out which type of fire extinguisher you require it. Accordingly, you can select it there. Then another thing, you must maybe knowing that then all type of fire extinguisher we have to keep it in our site. It is not necessary. It is not necessary that all type of fire extinguishers you have to keep in your work area, wherever it is available. Generally, fire extinguishers are two types is mainly common for most of the place. What are these two type of extinguishers means? One is a CO2 extinguisher and another is just I have shown you. This is a DCP. This is called ABC fire extinguisher. Class A fire, Class B fire and Class C fire. These two type of extinguishers are very common in most of the places. You know why it is make a common? Because many places that electrical fire is very common. So whenever electrical fire is there, you can operate with the CO2. That's why CO2 is available there. Then all other type of fire, whatever may be there, you can use any type of fire extinguisher. There's any class A, B, C. Either it is a whatever may the class A fire or class B fire or class C fire. It is suitable for this DCP. So that's why these two type of fire extinguishers are very common. In addition to that, there is already most of the places available water hose will be there, hose reel will be there, so that many places no need of any separate water extinguisher. But wherever that water hoses are not available, a separate water extinguishers also we are providing. So these are the two common type of extinguisher you can see everywhere. Then how this fire extinguishers are operating means, as I told you earlier that some of the extinguisher previously we had to put it in a downward position because of that gas cartridge is there. The gas cartridge we have to break it or we have to press it very forcibly on the top. But nowadays a system was developed. What is the system is? It is a very common for all type of fire extinguishers operation. That is called pass technique. P-A-S-S. P means pull the pin. So you can see this fire extinguisher, a safety pin is there. You have to just pull this safety pin. That is called P, pull the pin. Then this hose is there. This hose you have to hold it. The aim of the base of the flame. So that is A. Then S means squeeze. Squeeze means press this one. Press one. And sweep means you have to do like this way. So this is the way a fire extinguisher has operated. P, pull the pin. A, aim of the base. And S, squeeze the handle and sweep it. See, wherever the area fire is there, but you have to sweep it there. This is the way you have to have a portable type of fire extinguisher operation. Actually, this I have just shown you only. In practical way, you have to do it. So it is a very easy, not a very difficult thing. But you have to have some distance from the fire. And this is only initial stage of fire only. That preliminary firefighting, first aid firefighting only, that I have already told you. So anybody can do this type of a firefighting operation. So if you if you learn this type of technique, so in case of any fire started at the very beginning, you can extinguish it and you can save a lot of property, lot of save life, because as we have told that fire at the very beginning, if you can extinguish, we can prevent a very big fire. That's why this type of fire extinguishers are very common, and you have to learn it, the operation. So today what we have discussed is what are the type of fire extinguishers. There are 4 type of fire extinguishers are there. Water type for complete body is red color. Then CO2 complete body is red color and a black band will be there. And another one is DCP, dry chemical powder. There complete body red color and a blue band is there. Then another one is a cream color for this foam type of extinguisher, and yellow color for the white wet chemical extinguisher. So these are the different color coded. So with this sign, the color code, we can easily identify which type of fire extinguisher. And according to the class of fire, you have to identify appropriate fire extinguisher and fight it. That is the way you have to do the this first aid firefighting. So I will be coming with another class one tomorrow next day. So if you like this class, please share it and also subscribe it. This is my request. Okay, I wish you all of a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Okay, thank you to everybody. Thank you.